Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 2nd of August. The euro collapsed from its monthly high at 133.44 all the way back up to 131.88 against the US dollar. The president of the European Central Bank, Mario Draghi, used a neutral tone and he didn't help the single currency. He stated that the central bank will not tighten policy too soon and interest rates will remain low for the foreseeable future. Looking at equities, the US 500 and the US Tech appears to be heading towards multi-year high levels. The US 500 rallied throughout the day and even broke the major resistance at 1,700. The Fed vowed 2 days ago to maintain stimulus measures, while the US data showed an improved economy. Looking at commodities, gold crashed below $1,285 per ounce. The precious metal is under pressure as better than expected US economic data added to the speculation of tapering the stimulus measures. Gold may be seen at even lower levels if the NFP release managed to break the next support found at around $1,280 per ounce. WTI crude continued its gains for a second day and hit a 2-week high at $108.75 per barrel. Crude oil advanced after manufacturing in the US grew more than expected, showing increasing demand. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 132.70 with a preference to enter in short positions at 132.70. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 98.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 98.85. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.90. The sterling dollar pivot point at 151.80 with a preference to enter in short positions at 151.80. And the dollar CAD pivot point at 103 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot point at 105.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.25. The gold pivot point at 1321 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1321. The silver pivot point at 1937 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1937. The US 500 is at 1684 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1684. And the UK 100 is at 6000 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6000. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these movers on the calendar at 8:30 GMT in the UK. We have the construction PMI expected at 51.6. At 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the non-farm employment change expected at 184,000. And at 1400 GMT in the US, we have the factory orders month on month forecast to rise by 2.3%. And our mover and shaker to end the week is the US dollar skyrocketing yesterday from its low of 97.64 all the way up to 99.69 against the Japanese yen. The greenback rebounded from previous week's losses due to improved US data, showing that the US economy is recovering. The US dollar may remain bullish ahead of the NFP due at 12:30 GMT. If the data shows the creation of more than 184,000 jobs, it may push the pair above 100. Thanks for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.